Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by running a quick time audit so you know where minutes leak, tracking 15 to 30-minute samples for 1 week. Once done, identify your top 3 priorities and estimate realistic durations for each. Now open your calendar and carve 2 to 4 focused blocks of 60 to 90 minutes, labeling each with the priority. Make sure to set clear start and end times and enable a calendar alert so you respect the new structure. You now create blocking rules to keep the system usable. Batch similar tasks together so switching costs drop, and group work by context, deep thinking versus admin. Then insert 10 to 15-minute buffers between blocks to process outputs and reset. Once blocks are set, assign explicit rules. No meetings during deep blocks, phones on Do Not Disturb, and if a task runs over, move only 1 block forward, not the whole day. These rules prevent spill and keep momentum. You finish each day with a quick 10-minute review. Did blocks fit? What spilled? What felt rushed? Once a week, adjust block lengths using real data, shifting 15 to 30 minutes as needed. If you hit resistance, constant interruptions, or missed blocks, use one troubleshooting rule. Pause, label the interruption, and immediately reassign the task to the next available specific block. Make sure to protect at least 1 flexible block for catch-up. That keeps the system resilient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.